Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. Today I am going to make a wonderful almond night cream that does wonders to our skin. I have tried a few other almond face cream recipes in the past, and though they were good, this recipe is the best. It has very powerful anti-aging properties and if used regularly will help reverse all signs of aging, especially if coupled with a good diet. Good natural anti-aging creams without any harmful chemicals are so expensive, but trust me, you can make equally effective anti-aging creams easily at home. And this is one such recipe. If you use this cream everyday night regularly, your skin will look nourished, supple and glowing. Just follow this recipe exactly and you'll get a smooth luscious cream. Though everyone will benefit using this cream, aging skin will benefit the most with it. This cream will last well in the fridge for 5 to 6 days. Do give it a try without fail. For this recipe, we need 5 to 6 raw almonds. Soak them overnight and the next day peel their outer skin. Now take them in a mortar and pestle. Add enough rose water to grind. Now grind to a paste. Now strain the ground paste. Don't discard the strained pulp. We'll be using it later. Now for every 2 teaspoons of almond milk, take around a tablespoon of aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin too. Now mix well. At first, the mixture will be very lumpy, but as we keep mixing, it will form a smooth thick cream. If you're interested, you can also add in few drops of your favorite essential oil to make it smell good. This cream will dry quickly onto the skin. I have used only 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, but if you have extremely dry skin, increase it to 1/2 teaspoon. If you have oily skin, you can skip it altogether. Now take the cream in a bottle and store it immediately in the fridge. To use, Before going to bed, remove all makeup and apply this cream all over the face and neck in gentle upward strokes. You can apply this cream under eyes too. If used regularly under eyes, it will help reduce dark circles very fast. I am going to make a full body scrub that helps treat and prevent strawberry skin and ingrown hair. For that, take the pulp in a bowl. Add a tablespoon of coffee powder to it. Add in a tablespoon of brown sugar too. Finally, add in liquid of your choice. Now mix well. I have used plain water here. You can use rice water or even milk if you have extremely dry skin. Ingrown hair and strawberry skin can be prevented if you use this scrub regularly. To use, take the scrub and apply it all over the body. Massage for a few seconds and then wash it off. If you're using an epilator or shaving your legs, there are higher chances of getting ingrown hair and bumpy skin, and this scrub will greatly help prevent it. This scrub exfoliates the skin gently and leaves the skin petal soft and radiant. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.